Namaste, welcome back to my channel Think India. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe for Mulligatawny soup. How many of you know that it is called Indian national soup? It is an English soup originated from India during the British rule. The name is originated from Tamil. Milagu means pepper and thanni means water. So basically pepper water but turned into a comforting soup by the Britishers. Let's go ahead and make Mulligatawny soup, but before that please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. The ingredients for 4 servings are onion, carrot, tomato, 1-inch piece ginger and 4 garlic pods, a small piece of chopped leek, 2 celery sticks, 3 tablespoons rice, some chana dal and toor dal. You can also use some masoor dal for this recipe, and a green apple chopped. Now let's go ahead and check spices and other ingredients. We need curry leaves, peppercorns, bay leaves, curry powder, salt, garam masala which is optional, and some turmeric powder, oil and coconut milk, and vegetable stock. For the preparation, add oil in a pressure cooker, then add bay leaves, peppercorns, curry leaves, and saute for a few seconds. Now add the onions, saute for a minute, add the ginger and garlic. Now start adding all the vegetables one by one. Add the soaked rice and lentils, then the vegetable stock, and cook till the ingredients turn soft. Now let me tell you the history behind Mulligatawny soup. It is said that during British rule in India, rasam was served to the Britishers and they apparently loved it. And eventually they created this wonderful soup with English flavors with different variations. So to cut down the hotness from pepper, they used apples. It's indeed a blend of British flavors with some Indian spices. The vegetarian version of Mulligatawny soup uses the lentils, rice and coconut milk, but you can also make the non-vegetarian version with some chicken and chicken broth. So this is the soupy version of our South Indian rasam. So coming back to the recipe, pressure cook all the vegetables and the rice and lentils till they turn soft. Once you see the veggies, lentils and rice are cooked well, remove the bay leaves and blend with the help of a blender or a mixer jar. So once the soup is well blended, add the coconut milk. If you like, you can also drizzle a pinch of Garam Masala. After adding the coconut milk, just bring the soup to a boil. Mulligatawny soup is served with rice, so in a serving bowl, add a small cup of steamed rice, pour the soup over it, garnish with some coriander and a lemon wedge. That's it. Mulligatawny soup is done and it's really a comforting food. So try our Indian national soup and let me know in the comment section below how your soup has turned out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and until next time.